Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Confirm your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi and the Google Home app is updated. Open Google Home and tap the device plus icon to add or set up a device. This launches Discovery. If your TV uses HDMI SEC, enable it in TV settings now. If it uses IR, ensure the TV remote is ready and in range. Once Discovery starts, watch for the TV or remote listing and select it to continue the pairing flow. Now follow Google Home prompt step by step. Choose the TV, sign into the associated account if requested, and allow permissions for Bluetooth and network control. The app may ask to scan for the remote or instruct you to press specific buttons. Do that precisely. Once the app confirms control, test power, volume, and input switching. If HDMI SEC is used, the app leverages the TV's CEC commands. If IR is used, the app sends IR patterns through the phone or a hub. Finish by verifying voice control. Say a power or volume command and watch the TV respond. If it doesn't, reboot the TV, phone, and router, then repeat pairing. Network hiccups often block device discovery. Make sure HDMI CEC remains enabled and that any IR path is unobstructed. If problems persist, remove the TV from Google Home, factory reset remote settings in the app, and perform pairing again. This clears stale pairings and usually resolves mismatch or permission issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.